This is the newer 7-inch Bowens mount beauty dish, otherwise known as Standard Reflector, and it comes with a 10 degree, 30 degree, and a 50 degree grid pattern so that you can shape the light. Now I have this light over here, and real quick, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and first I want to show you guys what it looks like just by itself. So here's the light, and it is going to blow out the camera a little bit here. Okay, so that's the light it's casting right now. It's bouncing all over the place. I'm going to go ahead and take this dish. Boom. All right. That dish is now on there, and you can see it started to shape the light. So the light is already kind of casting harsher shadows. And one thing that I like about this is the 50 degree one, when I stick it in there, yes, you're going to see a little bit of a drop in the brightness, but notice how it's shaped it now, where if I pull this back just a little bit, you can see that there is a soft fall off, and it's a little bit more exaggerated on the camera there. It's kind of harsh in the middle and then blown out. It slowly falls off, but it's very smooth right here. And the 50 degrees starts shaping that light a little bit more. It doesn't allow the light to pass over a certain area on the side, so it helps you to shape it. And there's a pull tab right here that you can pull these guys out with. Now let's go ahead and check out the 30 degree here, and there's a little tab right here that when you push them in, it keeps them in, and there's a little groove around the edge of this for that too. So here's the 30 degree, and the light output has gone down a little bit too, but as you notice, that circle is now getting a little bit smaller, so it's focusing all of that light in and not allowing it to spill all that much towards the sides. So I'm going to pull this guy out, and finally we're going to look at the 10, and this is the one that I've been using more recently because of the control that you get with it. So let's go ahead and put this guy in there. There is the 10, and it's beautiful how it's a soft fall off, and it really shapes the light. I'm going to go ahead and turn this up just so you can see all of the area it's actually controlling. There you go. It's made this guy into a very tight spot. So I've turned the light up a little bit for this, but all in all, this is working amazingly well. So if you're in the market for a dish and you need it to have the honeycomb so you can shape where the light's going, as you can see when I'm twisting it back and forth, you can see how it's shaping the light there. This thing is fantastic. I really like it. I use it, and I highly recommend it.